the next tip for productivity here in AutoCAD. So, and this would be the change space command. Yes. So basically, most of the time we have a viewport on our drawing like so on paper space, but I would like to project that viewport here on model space, right? So I can organize my drawings better. So the way that we can do is, first, I'm gonna draw a rectangle, a basic rectangle using the rectangle command, and I'm gonna draw it the same size of my viewport. So my viewport is right here, so I'm gonna click like so. Then I'm gonna use the change space command, or also called ch space, like that. So this is the command that it's a nice way or productive way to do this quickly. So let's use it, change space. And I'm gonna select the rectangle that I just drew, like so, and then press enter. So at this point, I can press enter again, or to get out of your viewport, you can simply double click over here, like so. And then if we go over here on model space, you can see that an outline of the size of your viewport is showing here in model space. Isn't that great? So this is a way for you to quickly send objects either from paper space to model, or you could also send it from model to paper space using the change space command. Great, right?